What's up guys, it's Pete. While I was reviewing that last video on replacing the media on the Epson C3500, which you can watch here, I noticed that there was a pretty big buildup of paper dust inside the printer, so I wanted to create a follow-up video showing you the right way to clean them out. Let's get to it. The parts that we're going to focus on cleaning are these platen holes and the auto cutter blade. Epson recommends you perform this cleaning every time you replace your maintenance box. To make it easier, their maintenance boxes are shipped with the tools that are needed, but I'll go over them real quick just in case. We will need a non-woven cloth, some cotton swabs, and some rubbing alcohol. To begin, we're going to unplug the AC power cable from the back of the printer. Next, we're going to open the roll cover and take out any labels that you may have inside. It's a little hard to see, but what we're looking for here are these three small pyramid-shaped holes on the outside of the platen. What we're going to do is take our cloth and wipe away any ink that may be collecting inside those holes. Don't worry if you can't get everything, because that's where the cotton swabs will come in. Use your cotton swab to get any corners that you may have missed, and make sure none of the holes are clogged. The next thing we're going to want to check is the auto cutter blade. Put some alcohol on your cloth and just wipe away at that blade to make sure there's no adhesive built up. Now you may have also noticed there's some paper dust built up in the back of the printer. What you don't want to do is take a can of compressed air and blow that all over the place. What we recommend here is getting a small handheld vacuum cleaner. You can get them decently cheap online. What I'm going to do now is take this and just clean out the rest of the inside of the printer. Obviously these are tough little printers, but while you're doing that, just be gentle and be careful of the components inside. That's all there is to it. Close your printer up, plug it back in, and you're ready to get printing again. As always guys, thanks for watching our video. If you need ink, supplies, or labels, check out infinitylabelgroup.com, or if you want more information on our printers, contact us through ipsiscan.com. This has been Pete. I'll see you next time.